Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a little bit different. I got some new gear. I figured I'd do a little bit of an unboxing. I got some alpinestar Tech 10s, and last time I did a little gear unboxing, you guys seemed to really like it. It was actually like a year or two ago, and it got a good amount of views, so I figured I'd do another, seeing as you guys liked it. I currently have Fox Instincts, which are pretty good, but I heard lots of good things about the alpinestar Tech 10s, so I figured I'd grab these. I got the limited edition bomber boots, I believe they're called. They're blue, red, gray, and white. So I'm gonna unbox them and we'll see what's inside. I don't have a knife, so I'm gonna use a screwdriver here. Some motorsport stuff. I ordered it off motorsports.com, if you guys were wondering. Feels like they sent me gold. It's pretty heavy. I mean, they better be like gold plated. They're like $600. Let's open this up. These are them. They look really good. They should be pretty good. My Fox Instincts were pretty good. The only really complaint I have with them is the buckles on the Fox Instincts suck. These ones seem to be better. Also, they seem to wear out pretty fast. Maybe not, I don't know. I beat on them pretty hard. But they were good boots for the most part. I would have got another pair, but I seen these and I heard good things about them, so I figured I'd try something different. The other one, the backs. Sides, the front. Alright, guys. So these have like, it's kind of dark, it's hard to see, but they have like a weird, like sole, like a part you put your foot in inside the boot. But for the most part, they feel pretty good. I'm gonna take them out and ride with them. Obviously. But that will be a separate video and I'll do a full review on that. So that's gonna be it for today's video, just a quick little unboxing. I'm probably gonna do a review on these, just compare them to the Fox Instincts, see how they're holding up, see how they feel when I'm riding with them on. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you like this different style video, let me know down in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.